Mr. Ashok Chavan resigned. Mr. Ashok Chavan
after pressure
as the chief minister.
After being exposed on Times Now.
Before an FIR or a charge sheet
After being exposed on Times Now.
Point number two.
After being exposed on Times Now.
Into play. One minute.
He didn't resign on his own. He was exposed on Times Now and then he resigned.
All Congress-ruled states will have a powerful Lok Ayukta by February 28, 2014.
Really?
Why don't you ask what the BJP's prime ministerial candidate in Gujarat has for his own state? A toothless Lok Ayukta and a Lok Ayukta that was delayed for 10 years.
You know the question
and
is...
for which taxpayers' money of 64 crores was spent on delaying it. So let us not get into this debate, taking sanctimonious positions.
You
By
see,
the way, let me tell
Ajit Pawar said...
Arnab, you know it. You and I have debated this on your program. Please pull out the tapes because I know what I debated. I can pull it out myself tomorrow if you like. But Mr. B.S. Yedurappa in Karnataka was shielded for a considerable period by the BJP. Mr. Chavan resigned promptly. And this is the same Yedurappa that BJP is tying up with.
I am saying...
Let's not get into that
kind of debate. What? Sanjay Jha...
Bharatiya Janata Party and any other party on your channel
Sanjay Jha...
concerned because Mr. Gandhi, ever since he stood up on the
Sanjay Jha...
since he shepherded the Lokpal...
Sanjay Jha...
Ever since he talked about a constitutional amendment status for the Lokpal, people are very nervous because the Congress is demonstrating to the people of India that we are setting up an anti-corruption
Sanjay,
never been seen before.
Sanjay, please.
And let me tell you, that is the real thing that matters.
Now, your problem is that at one point, if you reach a stage where you don't listen to anyone.
Expulsions.
No, if you have reached, Sanjay, please, Sanjay, first of all, remember one thing. You see, Rahul Gandhi on 17th, you are going to make him India's prime ministerial candidate. So we are going to ask some questions and you must get less angry if asked questions.
You know more than me.
And you know what? This Congress and Rahul Gandhi are playing a game. It's a good cop, bad cop act. Congress party is right now bad cop.
Congress party
and Rahul Gandhi is good cop. So I'll tell you.
2014.
I'll tell you something. No, first of all, I want Sudhanshu Trivedi to come in.
Powerful set of performance.
First of all, I want Sudhanshu Trivedi to come in.
Not scared at all.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, can Rahul Gandhi completely alienate himself from the decision on Ashok Chavan?
Let me say something. I want to say that as far as this Adarsh scam is concerned, the change of stand of Congress party, first at the level of Maharashtra government, then the stand of Mr. Sushil Kumar Shinde, now today change the stand of Mr. Rahul Gandhi. It shows that after this massive defeat of assembly elections, Congress is out of wit. And there is also another inference of this, that Mr. Rahul Gandhi is not having the political capacity to lead
Mr. Gadkari's
the party or the nation. The reason being, otherwise...
Please respond to that.
Let me complete, Mr. Sanjay Jha. When you were speaking, I was not speaking. Please let me complete. This is not fair on your part. So what I am saying, that Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who is the most important leader of Congress party, a government run by his own party, he is saying that he wants a public statement. He would have himself averted the report. And even at this stage, he would have changed the report by an indirect indication from his side, because his party is not just the most important leader. His party is like his personal family fiefdom. Even if after that they are just giving a statement rather than doing things, now it means they are more interested in rhetoric rather than doing the actual thing.
Now there are two things. There are two things on the other side of the break.
When it was a JPC
1 second. There are two things. Sanjay Jha, Sanjay Jha.
It was the PAC report with
Sanjay Jha, I have to deal.
Bokharia in Gujarat.
Sanjay Jha, you and I will have to settle a matter. Mr. Sanjay Jha denies saying a few things on the 29th of December which amount to his doing a U-turn now. Mr. Jha denies saying that he said on the 24th that Mr. Rahul Gandhi is in no way an executive authority who can override the decision of the Maharashtra cabinet, and that the Maharashtra cabinet takes a decision and Rahul Gandhi cannot interfere in a legislative process. He says this is not the position taken. I will now play out what he said on the 24th.
I said that.
Sanjay,
I said, this is a matter for the government of the state. It's a coalition government. It's a cabinet which has got two coalition partners. It's for them to take a decision on. Mr. Gandhi is not an executive authority who can override the Maharashtra cabinet. No, I don't think that would be...
Sharad Pawar told Rahul Gandhi to do this cover-up?
It won't be appropriate looking at the normal parliamentary process or the legislative process for a person who's not an executive authority. And listen 1 minute. Mr. Gandhi must be exercising his own discretion, but he can't do so on a legislative, on a parliamentary process.
No,
where there is a government and a cabinet.
The world's
which has got to
biggest
take its own
cover-up is
decisions.
happening.
We have
Sanjay Jha.
Arnab, thank you very much for justifying exactly what I've been saying all along.
Amazing.
Thank you very much.
Amazing.
I hope the people who are watching news are...
Devesh, what do you make of
exactly
Sanjay
how
Jha saying that?
consistent I am
Devesh
and how
Thakur wants to say
inconsistent
something to
you
you.
are.
Devesh wants to
Because
say
that's
something to you.
exactly what Mr.
Devesh
Gandhi
wants to say
said.
something to you. Devesh Thakur.
Gandhi said,
Devesh Thakur is the judge tonight and Nirja Chaudhary is the judge, not me.
No,
Devesh,
let Madam be the judge.
Personal opinion.
No. Sanjay, Devesh Thakur.
Well, I think he has been caught on the wrong foot. So
Mr. Jha has been caught on the wrong
I think let's leave him at that.
Okay, Nirja Chaudhary.
Well, if Rahul Gandhi could reverse an executive decision.
Now, 1 minute, Arnab, what do you mean, Mr. Thakur? Mr. Thakur, what do you mean by caught on the wrong foot?
Well, you have just been shown saying so. You have just been shown saying what you were denying just now.
Please listen to it carefully.
You have just been shown saying what you have been denying just now.
Mr. Gandhi
You just said that's what Arnab was telling you, that you said that he didn't have the executive authority to overturn cabinet decisions.
No, 1 sec.
1 minute.
Now you see,
he's still not an executive authority. He's the vice president of the Congress party.
So
but more important, Arnab, please tell your Newshour viewers, here is the vice president of the Indian National Congress party who addresses a press conference, takes questions, answers them. He does not duck them like one Mr. Narendra Modi.
This morning,
he goes to a podium and makes a single-sided speech.
Sanjay, much as you may think so,
by the way, thanks for playing the tape, because I stand justified, I stand vindicated.
Okay, Sudhanshu Trivedi also wants to say something. Nirja will have the last word tonight because, it's not about you and me. I think we must decide at one point of time that if a U-turn is happening, a U-turn is happening. You just say we are doing a U-turn.
Arnab,
but to say we are not doing a U-turn.
Arnab, I want to
Gandhi
thank
and the
you.
chief ministers of the Congress-ruled states must be congratulated for having a Lok Ayukta by
This
February
morning,
28, 2014.
now
there
you
are
see,
big announcements made on inflation and corruption, which
They
should be the real talking
congratulated
point.
for
But anyway,
not
over to
bringing
whoever
down
wants
the
to talk.
prices.
one second.
Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Manmohan Singh and Sonia Gandhi must be congratulated, and all the Congress chief minister must be congratulated, bringing all sorts of tragedy for the people, not bringing down the price rise.
Mr. Ranjan.
And trying to defend the...
No,
defend
Mr.
the corrupt
Ranjan.
people.
Mr. Ranjan, today the last word will be to Nirja Chaudhary. I've given her the text.
Mr. Arnab, I just want to say one thing. I thank you, Mr. Arnab, that on my request, you have played the clipping
I played
of
the
Mr.
tape.
Jha, what he has said on 24th.
I played the tape, and I also would like to say this, that it is entirely possible. You see, Mr. Jha is a spokesperson for the party. He will have to defend the party
In fact, by playing
in
the
all
tape, I
possible
stand
ways.
vindicated.
But sometimes, Mr.
Arnab
Jha,
has just justified how consistent I am and how consistent my party is.
Mr. Jha,
The
I'll play
Congress
that
party
tape
is
again if you
consistent.
say
We
that.
honor traditions and we value the legislative process. It is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Prithvi Raj Chavan, and the cabinet who will take the final call.
Mr.
And
Jha,
anybody has the right. By
this
the way,
morning,
a vice president of the
this
Indian
morning,
National
Taken a final
has a
call.
right
this
to tell
morning,
everybody.
this morning,
Conferences.
this morning, Prithviraj Chavan has been quoted by the Indian Express as saying, and I quote, Sudhanshu Trivedi is coming in now. You see, Mr. Jha. He has been quoted as saying, no question of reversing the state cabinet's decision to reject the Adarsh Commission report.
Correct.
I stand unanimously behind the decision of the cabinet, collective decision of the cabinet. There is no question of reconsidering the matter. Now, I think this is a morning quote of Prithviraj Chavan. 7 minutes after Rahul Gandhi speaks, he does this U-turn and says, I will now reconsider. So, Mr. Sanjay Jha, people can see through that. Sudhanshu Trivedi, and then we'll close with Nirja Chaudhary. Sudhanshu Trivedi. Mr. Trivedi.
Mr. Sanjay Jha, my humble request is please let me complete for 2 minutes, because I have heard patiently to all of you. So now I am starting. As far as he is saying that the entire matter was with Maharashtra government. My question is, there was a PAC report, Public Account Committee report of Parliament, which was tabled in December 9, which says about Adarsh scheme that it was a monumental failure, both on the part of Defence Ministry of the Government of India and of the Maharashtra government. Now my question is, what Congress party has taken a decision? This was in the purview of the central government. Now I would like to say that this is the habit of the Congress party, saying something, nothing doing, then taking a U-turn. You remember
Sanjay Jha is responding.
They have said that they will bring down the prices in 100 days. Then what happened? Let me complete.
He wants
then
to
what
rebut
they have
you.
done in 100 days? They have said, Garibi Hatao, 70 years back. 1970, 40 years back. After 40 years, they are saying in Food Security Act, 2/3 of the people
We have 3 minutes left. Let him rebut you.
2 times meal. And
Arnab,
now,
this is a
let me complete.
Let
One
him
sentence
rebut you.
I would like to say,
Because of time, let him rebut
now the
you.
people of India has
Because of time,
realized
let him rebut you. I have
that
3
now
minutes
the
left.
people of India has realized, I couplet in Hindi, that बातें फिजूल की थी, ये समझ आई
Mr.
बड़ी देर
Trivedi,
में,
elections are in
जब दौरे
May,
उम्र
June.
कट गई
You're not
लफाजों के
making an
फेर में.
election speech and you're making no sense with your comments. It's a defense ministry that ordered a CBI inquiry. It's the chief minister of Maharashtra who chose a very strong judicial commission. And by the way, a very important point that you got to recognize, that the chief minister at that point, Mr. Ashok Chavan, resigned for the same reason that we wanted a dispassionate
But
inquiry
Sanjay, he
into the
resigned.
offense
He-
of
Sanjay,
whatever
he resigned.
allegations were.
Sanjay,
And
he
even as we
resigned.
talk,
Sanjay,
even as we talk, the
Sanjay
matter
Jha.
is sub judice. The CBI has
Mr. Jha.
cleared Mr. Sushil Kumar
Mr. Sanjay
Shinde.
Jha,
1 minute.
you
The CBI
try to
has
learn
cleared
from
Mr.
leader
Sushil
how
Kumar
to take a
Shinde.
U-turn
And
and how to
inquiries
follow
are
his
on
word.
against everybody
Mr. Jha.
who could have done something
Mr.
wrong.
Jha, Mr. Jha.
No,
it's-
1
you know,
minute. If
Mr.
somebody
Jha,
is proven wrong tomorrow, they will face the law.
Mr. Jha, you are,
What
you
is
know,
wrong with
Mr. Jha, can I pay you a compliment? After all the fights that we have on
Please do,
TV?
I'm waiting.
No, I'm going to pay for Mr. Jha a compliment.
Party is the problem.
I'm going to say that, Mr. Jha, there are many occasions nowadays when you're unstoppable. But Nirja Chaudhary has the last word tonight, because I tell Sanjay, no, 1 second. On a lighter note, I'm glad we're having a few laughs.
Arnab, what's your compliment?
My compliment was that you're unstoppable.
but Arnab, what's a compliment?
Sanjay,
I'm unstoppable.
Sanjay, even when I pay you a compliment, you miss it. but 1 second. Watch. I'm glad we're having
I
a
think
few
we are
laughs on
rubbing
this.
off on
Arnab wants to know
Arnab, I
whether
think
you
we
have
are
an
rubbing
executive
off on each
authority
other.
to say what you have been saying.
I want to know whether you have the executive authority to say what you are saying tonight. Well said, Devesh Thakur. You read my thoughts sometimes. Nirja Chaudhary, Nirja, what's the moral of the story here? now?
was a
Well,
good
we are
one.
very glad.
I will take
I'm
that.
very glad that Mr. Rahul Gandhi is becoming proactive. He's
Right.
making sure that the low Kayuk tax will be enacted by all.
But too
the-
late, perhaps?
But you know, by
Better late than
February
never.
end, we are very glad that he's asking the Maharashtra cabinet to reconsider the Adarsh decision.
Okay.
We are very glad that he tore up the ordinance.
But-
very happy. But why does it come so late?
Exactly. That's the question
And
I've
that's
been
where
asking.
the Congress
Absolutely.
is not even able to take the credit for it as a
Nirja, for
result.
God's sake, sound optimistic, Nirja. Nirja, for God's sake, sound optimistic, sound sanguine and cheerful.
Where's the
There are
time?
good times around the corner. There's never too
You
late
know,
to do a good thing.
Sanjay,
Come on, Nirja, I expect you to be a lot
pains
more,
us,
you know,
it
excited
pains
and a
us
lot more
because
kinetic.
Yes,
a
it will
country
never
like
date after
India, we
60
don't
years.
want a weakened Congress. We want a strong
And after 10
Congress.
years,
We want a strong opposition in a country like
Absolutely.
India. We don't want a regionalization of politics
And
as
I
we are seeing
promise
happen.
you,
So
Sanjay,
it's out
ma'am
of
just said she
concern
wants
that
a strong
people like us-
opposition.
Trivedi,
She's
please
already
don't
given
edit
you the
what
place of the
Nirja said.
opposition.
Sudhanshu, be prepared to be a good opposition in 2014.
I don't know who Nirja meant as the opposition when she talked about a
You are
strong
not fit for opposition
opposition.
leader.
Did she talk about the Congress?
The
Or did she
manner
talk...
in which Mr. Rahul Gandhi is speaking and also his disciple Mr. Sanjay Jha is shouting.
Now, can I say one thing?
Now they are preparing themselves for the opposition.
Can I say one thing? Can I say one thing? Can I say that it's a Friday evening and we have had a wonderful debate on the News Hour tonight? Can I, on behalf of everyone on this program, thank each and every News Hour viewer for staying with us through the entire week. I look forward to our next debate on Monday.